Welcome guys, so today I am with JBL Charge 4 and I'm going to show you how we can charge the speaker. So at the first we have to rotate the speaker. Right here we'll find this cover, so we have to open it. As you can see, we can find here a few inputs. We have to use this one with this lightning, so it's USB-C input, so you need this kind of the cable, that's USB-C cable. As you can see, we have to plug it right here. Right now, the second end of the cable, the USB-A, we have to plug to this kind of the brick. You can use the brick from your phone, for example. And next, we have to plug it to the electricity right here. And right now, when you rotate the speaker, at the bottom right here on this silicone stand, we will find these indicators. As you can see, it's almost fully charged. When one of the indicators is still blinking, it means that the speaker is charging. And here we have the 100%, 80, 60, 40 and the 20. And that's how you can charge your speaker with USB-C cable. That's how we can make it. As you can see, that's very simple. And you don't have to power on the speaker, you can just turn it off. And it will be still charging, as you can see. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.